Hey, all, what's going on, everyone? Got my little microphone here. I hold it because sometimes when you clip it on, it sort of whacks against the material, and then it starts going like this. See what I mean? So anyway, I hope everyone is doing fantastic. It is Easter Sunday bank. No, it's not Sunday. It's Monday. So it's bank holiday here after Easter Sunday. Hope you all had a great time with your family and your friends and enjoyed yourself. Thought I'd jump on here and just talk about the expansion that I'm trying to do. So I'm trying to expand the business. Well, I'm not trying, I am going to be. And I've already started the process of doing that. So I've already started the document. So I thought I'd run through it because it's just something that I want to document, obviously, whilst building the business. So I've got one business manager at the moment, my virtual assistant, and he's fantastic. He's absolutely fantastic. He's great. And I'm just about to take on someone else, hopefully someone that's very close to him. So that's always great. And I remember that tip from one of my coaches when I was building my Amazon business back in the day. They said, if you're going to take someone on, try and ask who's working for you at current, as a good tip. Try and ask the virtual assistant that is working for you at current if they have any recommendations. So I think that is quite a good tip. And I did the exact same thing. And I actually found out that, yeah, someone very close to him is very interested. So I'm hoping everything will go smoothly, fingers crossed, and they can come and start working for me as well. So this is going to be more of a sourcing, if you like. This is going to be someone that's going to be helping me to launch new products, someone that's going to be helping me to source new products, launch new products onto my UK store for our business. So, yeah, a very necessary step, but something that I haven't done before. I've had sourcing virtual assistants, but not this kind of thing. So yeah, it's going to be a necessary great step, another learning curve. So I've already started writing the documents. I've written down exactly what I will require from this job role, just so that it's completely transparent. Obviously, we need to get contracts and done, stuff like that. I'm going to do a trial with them at the start. We're going to do a trial, see how they get on, because it's new to both of us. And then hopefully all goes smoothly. And then we get to a stage where I can extract myself a little bit more out of the business, so I can obviously work on the growth of the business rather than working in the business. Because I've got some big plans. As I said, I've got £1 million goal for next year to do the turnover of £1 million. And I want to do that, I want to do that, and this is a necessary step. I can't do that with one staff member, so this will be the second staff member, and I'll probably get another one very soon straight after that. I'll be honest, I've always had some sort of barrier there in my mind about taking staff members on and things like that. I've always worried about it a lot, and I need to break past that. I need to break past that and get to a bigger scale, get to a bigger level, so that obviously I don't worry about that anymore, because I know that that's holding me back in business. So that's something, that's just something internal that I've recognised. And I spoke to a very successful multi-seven-figure, does millions a year seller the other day, and they understood that as well. And they said to me, yeah, that's something that you just need to nip in the bud, and you know it's a hurdle that you need to get over. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. And I'm going to really try and surround myself with more people that are at a bigger level as well within this game. Just because it really is true. They rub off on you. Like I need to hang around with a lot of business owners and other e-commerce sellers that are doing. I'm doing multiple six figures now. I need to hang around with people that are doing multiple seven figures, even multiple eight figures. And when I say hang around with them, even if you have to pay them for mentorship until you're at their level, that's fine. For me, that's something that I'm happy to do. You can claim it back on the business, and also it's a fantastic investment in my opinion. I think it's going to be a fantastic investment once you're at that level. I think once you're at that level, I'm looking forward to getting some more coaches and sort of leveling up, and yeah, exciting. So anyway, I wanted to do that quick update. So just about to take on another team member, which is exciting. I'm just writing out there. I'm getting everything together at the moment and writing out all the information that's required, all the tutorials, and then obviously the training is going to start. So exciting stuff, and I'll keep you updated. I hope you have a fantastic Easter. I will see you very soon.